Watch out for the wire. So we're going for a walk in this wind. See what damage has been done. As you can see, our neighbor's siding is blown onto our side. That's how windy that is. Need my help, hon?
Nope.
Okay. Stay on this side. That's holding up nice. A couple of wind blew. I'll help to fix that. We have a street light over there, but
Oh wow, it burned out.
it's burnt out. I think the wind took it. So it's pitch dark down that way, except for the 340.
I don't want to go that far.
How far do you want to go? Up to the top and back? No, I know. It is really crazy. It's gonna be like this for the next 2 days. And in Alberta, they're getting about the same thing, but even more worse than we did.
We can get it too.
Possibly we can get it, yes. Didn't you say that 2 trains derailed?
Yeah, in Alberta.
In Alberta because of this wind. Yeah. And these are freight trains, so they're heavy. So if that can do that. Prepare on the bus. Ah! We're blowing away!
Literally!
Come on, honey. We're blowing away. Look at her hair. I have none, so you can't see the... I have some on a damn rock. Better me than you, I guess. It is not nice out here. It'll be interesting to see what kind of damage was done when we take Sashi to school tomorrow.
Right?
I'm guessing I'm driving if it's like this tomorrow.
Maybe.
You can see the way that tree's moving. Very noise.
Yeah, put your hand down, don't.
Ah, my hood. My hood. My hood. Holy tornado. It is windy, and with this rain, it is super cold. You checked it on the weather network. You said it feels like what, 13 out?
It was 16 or 13, feeling like
9.
I can't remember 9.
9, yeah, you said. Which is ironic because just a couple of hours ago, when we were traveling,
It was like 21.
it was 21 and felt like probably like 18 out. So. Got the light on because in some places.
Man, I hope it doesn't freeze. Cause this would be shitty.
Definitely. Yeah, it's gonna be crazy.
My fingers are cold.
You want to turn around? Good thing when you checked the mail already. it's raining, but wow. That power is
Ouch. Step on something.
look at that one. There you go. I rot. This is wow. Can't tell if anybody's watching. If anybody's watching, I can't tell because I got my phone in the case so it doesn't get wet and get ruined. There's the flag there. And another one.
I have a bad stroke. Look what the wind did. It knocked over the building.
Yeah.
No.
It's water.
It's cold rain.
Yeah. If you're tired, you're not now. You're wide awake. Nice of that. My phone's alright. Should be okay. We'll turn down this way.
Uh-huh.
We go over the hump.
Dead Indian hump.
It's a little joke. It's almost like a big speed bump.
It is. It is. Ah! It is.
Ah, me too. Me too. Ah, and it's cold. And it's blowing.
Man, now we're freaking against the wind.
And you're not good on your feet, so I'd say let's walk backwards. But oh, I just hit a pothole. That's not cool.
Owie.
Let's stay on the side here.
Oh, I can't see. My glasses.
I can barely see. We should have just stayed home.
I told you.
Oh, what? Man, that was good exercise.
The street is awful.
Yeah. Daisy wanted to go over there.
Should have let her. Okay, move over. Ah,
Ow.
splattered.
Crazy out here, guys. Crazy. It is miserable outside. I mean, you know, thank God it's rain and not the S word, but
You said there was a little bit.
yeah. At least it looked like it. I could have.
Yeah, it was.
So we did have a little bit of the white stuff. And no, I have not altered this video. The noises you hear are the actual wind noises. It's how strong the winds are. So what you're hearing on the video is how strong it is.
If you can hear us.
If you can hear us.
Okay, honey, walk straight.
I'm trying to avoid the water. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have a nice warm shower when I get home.
Diddle. Oh. After right now. Oh yeah. And then again, that might make me sleepy.
Well,
I
so
don't know. Oh shit. I can't see.
ah, got socks on.
I don't. I got bare feet.
Which is worse than what I have. To a point, I guess, because why you're
Yours is like getting soaked.
yeah. That is so strong. Lost power yet. Before we let the lights come on, I'm surprised at some point we don't lose electricity.
I don't have problems here.
Well, leaf,
Whatever that is.
leaf, you know.
I think it was paper. It looked white.
Oh man.
I can't walk straight. I'm drunk.
Yeah, we haven't drank anything yet.
Just tea.
Just tea and coffee.
Holy man. This is good work on my hip.
Yep.
Whew.
That's why I decided to go for a walk.
Good workout on my lungs too.
Yeah.
Okay.
They did paint their door again.
Yep.
It really makes the house pop. Nice house. We're talking about that door there. It used to be yellow. That's
I liked it when it was yellow too.
yeah, it was unique, but I guess it was a mismatch, right? Blue and yellow. Yeah. I don't know if you can see it blowing all over the road. There's our.
Would have been different. The wind wasn't cold.
Wow, it is small.
Okay.
I don't know if you guys can see a tree back there. It's really cool. That pine tree is really rough. But
Rocky and Amigo River outside.
and they're barking.
Just us.
Just us rocks. It is really wild out here, guys. Look at archery.
Whoa, whoa. You hear that?
Someone's really cutting wood now. Wow.
What the hell?
Yeah, let's cut wood.
Are you serious?
Oh yeah, that's a saw. Oh shit, you scared me. Oh my god, you scared the shit out of me, honey.
I scared myself.
Yeah, I don't know if I want to play around with that wood. It's fine. We're home.
Cutting wood right now.
Shelly, apparently. We're home. Oh no.
Oh, why did you lock the screen door?
Did you put the latch on the other door?
No.
Okay, hold it. I'll go around. Sorry about that, love. I didn't mean to do that. All right, we're home. Oh, I don't know if Mrs. Surchaser can get inside the house. She might need my assistance. Are you sure? Okay. Oh, we're good. Okay. We are home, but that is horrible outside. It is horrible.
Shut on, Brooks.
Apparently.
That's so good.
Oh man.
Oh, I like windy and raining.
Oh man. Yeah, why not use electrical stuff when it's raining? And, oh my God, yeah. It's okay. We only live once, right?
Apparently.
Oh my God.
16 minutes ago, Hafford, rain the next 24 hours.
Well, I hate to bust your bubble there, Weather Network. I think it showed up just a little bit too early.